Okay, in this video we're going to add a simple blog post to Sturgeon County Kennel's blog. What we have is a pre-typed out post made in a Google document, and we're just going to translate that into WordPress. So what I do to start, I'll just bring this into my clipboard, Control C, go to WordPress. I'm already logged in. I'll navigate to the left-hand side post, and we'll hit Add New. Once that loads, I'll add the title. Go back here, hit Control A to select all, and hit Control C, copy, and paste that into our WordPress site. So unfortunately, none of the formatting follows the clipboard. So we have to reformat this blog so that it gets back to how it's been done here. So the first thing we can do is we can get the picture brought in. So we can add media. Got a picture here that we can insert. Slightly different, but more or less the same. And there was another picture below this grooming section. So I'll hit add media and add this picture. I'll fix the bolding because a lot of the headings are bolded. So we can do that by just hitting the B here. And I'm going to bold all of the categories that are sort of at the front of each section. And there's a few to do. I'll just show you a couple and then pause the video to go through all of them. So far, we can take a look at what's happening by hitting the preview button. So right now, there's our bolded font. The pictures look a little bit small for both of them. And of course, none of our hyperlinks came through. So what we'll do is find our first picture and multiply the width by 2. So 300 would be 600, and multiply the height by 2. We'll do the same for the other one. And then we'll bring in our first hyperlink. I'm not going to do all of them, but I'll do 2 of them just to show you how to do it. So we've got this Wild Weenies game bird. What you do is hit link and find the URL that we need for that. So if I search the treat, we get the URL for the Wild Weenies game bird. So you can just add the link like that. And then same story for this treat. So highlight the entire thing that you want to be a link, hit link, put the URL in, and then add link. So we can preview the changes. So the picture is a bit bigger, which I'm quite happy with. And we've got some links now that will work. So I'm going to pause the video, fix the rest of the links and some of the bolding, and then I will unpause the video. Okay, so I've gone and updated all of the links and checked the formatting that it's the way I want it. The last step to do is just to double check the links are directing to the correct URL. So Wild Weenies to Wild Weenies looks good to me. So the last thing we got to do is just categorize the blog post. So I've got it set to guides already. And then to simply set a featured image. So I've uploaded this picture. Go ahead and set it. Hit the big red update button. And then once that is good, we can go ahead and view our post. And that is what it looks like. So there you go. That's a really quick tutorial on how to make a simple WordPress blog post. Hope you enjoyed the video.